Did you hear about the Black Panther movie? It came last week. Today I went to Walmart and I grabbed all the Black Panther toys and of course the gears too. We are at Walmart to see all the Black Panther toys and gears. There are tons of toy and gears. We got the claw mask, another mask, another claw, and a Hot Wheel car. I got all the Black Panther toys, and when I reach them, I'm gonna make a review. Black Panther is a superhero in Marvel series. Today, we're going to review all the Black Panther gears and toys. I have 2 Black Panther claws, 2 masks, a blanket, a Black Panther Hot Wheel, and 2 action figures. I am going to start with the Black Panther Vibranium Claw. It's a Vibranium FX claw. It says, press claw to surface 4 lights and sound fix. So that means we press this purple button. Whoa! Awesome! Now we're going to open the Black Panther Vibranium Power FX Claw. Whoa! This is the instruction manual. Let's see what it says. Number 1, adjust strap. Adjusting the strap. Good. Next, wave claw to trigger sound effect. Make it. Make the sounds. I am gonna make the claws light. It's awesome. Next, let's move on to the Vibranium mask. It is super cool. You know why? Because it has this button, and when we press it, this thing glows. And see, right now this has glass, but then see this trigger when we pull it up, it doesn't have any more glass. And when we pull down, there is glass. And when we pull it up, it doesn't have any glass. And down, up, down, up, down, up. It's like something to play with. And this will glow. We could try it in the dark. See this Marvel Black Panther symbol here? And an Avengers symbol here? And it is written as Vibranium here. The back of the box shows the picture. So this is when we put it on our head. It looks super cool. And these are the buttons. One up here and one down here. Let me open it! The box contains a manual too. It says that this is the place where we press the button to make it light. This is the place where we have to make the glass go up and down. This is the headband. We can make it tight or loose. And this is the place where we put the battery. Let us see. So let's see. So the place where we have to make here light is, see this? We press that. Wow! And to make that come down, easy. On bottom of that switch. Pull down. Boom! Wow! And also to adjust it, we just pull this up. And for the batteries, we keep it right there. So up, down, eyes open, close. Wow, it is perfect for my face. Let me try the claws as well. Let me move on to the second claw. Color has black and silver, and the claws it can connect to our arm, and when we need to do that, we can just do like that. If we need to pull up, we just pull like that. See, this is the claw. How is it? Let's move on to the mask. This looks like metal, but it's actually plastic. This one doesn't have any light, so we'll check the light one later. You like it? Let us move to the action figures. This is the Vibranium Black Panther. It is ages 4 or more. So the Vibranium Black Panther comes with gadgets. And what is this? A sword. It comes with this axe, dinghy, sword, and there are 2 characters that we can get. Shuri or Eric Killmonger. And it has like these details in his face, and it also has a necklace. Let's move on to Shuri. This is Shuri. Shuri is the sister of Black Panther. She has like these lightning hands, and when we pull it and when we put it in her, it looks like this. Also, Shuri has like these details on her face. She can put 2 lightning gadgets on her arm. And we can also get Black Panther and Eric Killmonger. Let's move on to the Black Panther car. This is the Black Panther car. It has like the Marvel symbol, and it says the Black Panther. And you could also get the Eric Killmonger Black Panther car. We can get these in Walmart. And also what I like about this, that it has this vibranium detail on the car, and it looks like a whole car. Let's move on to the blanket. This is the Black Panther blanket. It's a silky soft throw. It is cuddly and way soft than the other blankets I have, and it is so fluffy, and that if you can wear it in the winter when it's super cold. These are the Black Panther toys I bought for the review. Hope you like my review. And don't forget to buy the gadgets. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe.